how do you make ads that get you results like these? But this person spends $100,000 every single day and came to this conclusion and got it from him. Basically, the only key to Facebook advertising or online marketing in general is variation. The more data you feed the algorithm, the better chance you have at success. The algorithm goes out there, tests with this market, and then gets back to you with the results. Let's say if you have one image, one ad copy, the text as above the image, and you're only testing with one audience, you only have 1% chance of success. On the other hand, if you have 20 different images, 20 different angles, 20 different copies, the text, and you're testing with 5 different audiences with interest, you have 20 times more probability of being successful. In terms of what are the 3 things that account for 80% of success, is being found to be the image, the video, the media that you use. Is it even interesting? Does it spark interest? The second thing is the copy, the text you write. Is it persuasive? Does it get the job done? Will it move person from one place to another? The point of ads is not to get the sale. The point of ad is to get them from one place to another. The third thing is the audience. Are you even targeting the right people? These are 3 things you need to keep in mind and have them aligned if you want to be successful in online marketing.
Now, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Hassan Dawood. We help restaurants sell food online by themselves with our virtual restaurant model, which is a combination of digital marketing, e-commerce, and menu optimization. Basically, helping you sell food online by yourself so you don't have to pay third-party apps for bringing in new and repeat customers. Plus, you get to keep all the data. And also, we help you create new virtual brands so you have different sources of revenue coming. Kind of like opening up new location, but online. If you're interested in what we do, go to brandandart.com. We have your free training. And if you're interested, book a free strategy call.